See, our stand is very clear on this matter. There is a balance that we need to maintain between the environment, the ecology, and also livelihoods. And pertaining to this, there are about 31 units, I think, which have got single window from the industries department. And because they have these clearances, single window clearance now, they have come to the Pollution Control Board for the consent to establish. Consent to establish, there are very, very clear guidelines which are laid down. Siting norms are there. These siting norms were passed in 2020. Prior to that, there were no siting norms, and the effect on the environment would have been much more had there not been any siting norms. So with these siting norms in place, we want to ensure that whoever applies for CTE must fall under these guidelines. And as I said, if any kind of applicant is falling within those guidelines, then as a government we cannot deny anybody. These are rules, these are laws, and we have to follow those as a government.